Okay, people, this is the next video as promised, and Ayush says he will show you how a rabbit sleeps, but you have to do it very gently, please.
Okay.
Very. Now that one is also getting ready to sleep.
Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but okay. The cotton balls.
Okay, it's been pretty crazy that I've been making these videos in itself is a crazy task. Now we have to get ready, and evening we'll be at my sister's house. But yeah, that's where both the rabbits are now. Both of them are sleepy. See, that's the whole thing. Animals have that natural rhythm and pattern, right? So we let them sleep, and it is already a 1 minute video. And yesterday was an awesome day, but hey, don't do that. Careful, Ayush. And we'll catch you all in our. We'll catch you all tomorrow, in fact, or maybe in the evening. I'm not sure. But today is Diwali, so happy Diwali, folks! And this is the love of my life.
But
And
no happy Diwali for the American people.
Why? Baby?
Because that's not even a festival for America.
No, there are lots of Indians in America. So we'll catch you all soon enough. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.